Beautiful. Good.
Beautiful observations. Wow.
Okay. So, when you finish with the signal?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
That was well planned for oncoming traffic.
Would you like to be in TikTok?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good. Okay. So, good afternoon, everybody. This is Mushroom Driving School. We got lovely Amelia, and this is her third lesson, and we're doing a pedestrian crossing and mini roundabout. How do you feel?
Good.
Good. Beautiful. Okay. So, and she's doing independently now by herself the pedestrian crossing and mini roundabout. Beautiful. So at the end of the road, Amelia, I would like you to turn right, please, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. Beautiful, thank you. Good mirror, good signaling, yes? Yes, well done. You apply back again, well done. Good. Beautiful. Nice. Okay, how's that junction?
Good.
That's good. Okay, so look ahead and what can you see? Tell me what you see. What sort of sign can you see?
Roundabout.
Beautiful, yeah? Mini roundabout, yeah? Mini roundabout. I would like you to turn right, please. Thank you. Nice. And how's that?
Good.
Well done. Beautiful. I agree.
Thanks.
Nice speed, beautiful, beautiful control. Well done. Good. Okay, ahead of the roundabout as well, please. Thank you. Beautiful. Not bad. That's good. Well done. That was good, really good. That's good, yeah? Do you feel it, yeah? Nice, good. Perfect. And we're going ahead in this roundabout as well, straight down. Perfect. So very soon we are approaching to the what?
Roundabout.
Good. So when we get to the roundabout, I would like you to turn right, please. Can you see the roundabout there? Right there. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Beautiful. Well done. Well done. Well done. Nice. Thank you. Beautiful. At the roundabout, turn left, please, now. How's this one?
Good. I probably could have gone out a little bit earlier though, but I didn't want to risk it.
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah.
Mhm.
Good. There you go. Well done. Yes. So go ahead now. Progress nicely. Good. Yeah, because that car was going right that side, isn't it? Yeah. Good. That's fine.
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, so this roundabout, I would like you to go straight ahead, please. Yeah, straight
Yeah.
on. Thank you. Thank you. And how's that?
Good.
Nice, well done. Beautiful. Okay, so we've got another roundabout coming up in here. I would like you to turn right, exit number 3 to the right side. Yeah, can you see it?
Yeah.
So we're going over there, where the white vans is there. Thank you.
Do I have to do what he did?
Right side. Yeah, there you go. And then we're looking for opportunity.
No.
Yeah, good, go for it. You want to count the exit? Yes, good one. So we're going 3, yes?
Yeah. So I do left signal in
Yes,
this set.
yes, what did you do now? And bring it back to the left side, thank you. Job done, yeah?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, good. And how's that?
Good. Feel more confident.
Yes. Good.
Yeah.